Hi and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I last put out a video, and the reason for that is, as you know, I moved to France. There's been so much work getting on here, so much work to do, trying to set up a business as well in order to obviously pay the bills and renovate this place. It's been taking quite a lot of my time. In fact, it's been taking all of my time. The bikes that I bought was the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450, which I had in the UK and I absolutely loved, and I bought the Voge 300 Rally for the off-road stuff. But the roads in France here, southwest France, where I'm in the Charente, is not like in the UK. So the faster roads, there's more off-road. But in saying that, I've not been out on them. I bought the Voge 6 months ago and I've done 400 kilometres on it. And that's mainly running it in. I did a little bit of green lanes around here, but when I'm joining up green lanes, I find it's not powerful enough to get on the road. People drive very, very fast here, and you've got to keep up with traffic. The problem with the Voge, it won't keep up with the traffic unless you're thrashing it, and I don't want to thrash it. Himalayan, brilliant, keeps up with traffic, but it won't do the off-road work that I want it to do. It's very, very heavy, and if I drop it, yes, I can pick it up, but how many times do you want to pick it up before you start saying to yourself, well, it's got the power, but it's not got the lightness. Worked very well in the UK for me. Both bikes work very, very well in the UK for me, but here, not working for me at all. But I think it's time that I change both bikes for one. What have I bought? So these are my two bikes, Royal Enfield Himalayan. I did a trip to Spain on that, and it was absolutely fantastic. Carried all my luggage, kept up with traffic. I've done just over 1,000 kilometres on this bike. But I'm finding, as I said, it's just too heavy to do the off-road work. So both bikes going. I've traded them in. I've just given them a clean. And they're getting ready to go in there. So tomorrow I'm going trading them in. I've bought something else. It's completely different. It's a bike that I've had my own for a couple of years. I was going to buy it a couple of years ago, but I thought I'll just see how it goes. It's a relatively new bike. I also looked at the KTM 390 Adventure R. Pretty scarce here in France, but again, it's mainly going to be more of a road bike. Now I'm looking for something to get more into my next level. I started on a CRF. I swapped it for the Voge. I missed that CRF. It was a fantastic bike, but the Voge was such a great buy. I bought it. But now I'm ready for the next stage. I'm ready for the next step up. And come with me tomorrow to the dealership and I'll show you what I bought. Okay, new bike day. Yesterday, here in the southwest of France, it was 21 degrees and beautiful skies, absolutely perfectly blue skies. Today I woke up, new bike day, and it's hammering it down. It's 4 degrees, it's wet, it's windy, and there's a chance of snow. Not the ideal weather to go and pick up your new motorcycle, but I've got the bikes in the back. They're fully charged, they're fully fueled, and they're fully clean. I'm about 30 minutes away from the dealership, and I'm very excited. That's it. I'm here at LA Moto, where I bought the Voge from. Cracking gentleman here that runs the place. Emails you promptly, does a great deal for you, really easy to deal with. These are the two bikes he's taken in part exchange, and to be honest with you, I've not lost a lot. I know the low mileage and they're in really good condition, but the deal he's done me, I've not lost a lot at all. So get yourself down to LA Moto if you want a good deal here in Limoges. Well, here's the bike, the Kove 450 Rally. This is the bike that I've purchased to replace both the Voge 300, which didn't have enough oomph for me. All right in the British roads, but here in France, there's just more trails, more roads, and connecting the roads. I would have had to do a lot to that bike to get it up to what I needed to do. And the Royal Enfield Himalayan, well, I know people take it off-road, but for me, for my type of riding, it's just a road bike. It was a travel bike. I enjoyed it in the UK and the UK roads, but here, in the southwest of France, I mean, this is a mild dirt gravel track. But it gets really gnarly, and there's miles of it. It's not like the UK where you get, you know, a couple of 100 metres of green lane and then you've got to go back on the roads. Here, you can just go for mile after mile after mile after mile, connecting roads and routes on and off road without seeing another bit of tarmac. Here's a guy coming by. Big sport here. Anyway, so let me show you the Kove. Kove 450 Rally, 2025 model. I don't have to go through all of the specs on this bike, you know, the quick release, the LEDs, etc, etc. But some upgrades like the sight glass and a few other bits on this bike make it my perfect trail bike.